Assalamu alaikum, my dear grade 8E children. Your English teacher, Mrs. UBF Mujiba, is here. It's good to meet you all again in this video. Today, we are going to discuss the answers of the activities on page 21 of your pupil's book. Let's see how to do the activities on page 21. Look at the activity 2.6 on the same page. Let's read the heading. Complete the following blanks using must, have to, has to, or should. Once again, I would like to remember the points we have learned in the previous lesson. Must and have to are used to express the obligation. Should is used to give an advice. Okay, let's see how to fill the blanks with the above words. Look at the first question. Here A and B are talking. A is saying Ruvini is not well. It means Ruvini is sick. So Ruvini வந்து எப்படி இருக்கிறாவாம் sick-ஆ இருக்கிறான்னு சொல்றாங்க. Then B is saying she blank leave early. She blank leave early. If someone says I am not well, if someone says I am not well, normally we advise him or her to leave early. Okay, so we can take this an advice. What is the suitable word for this blank? They have given you three options: must, have to, should. So the answer is should because it is an advice. B is saying she should leave early. Look at the second question. When a tire is punctured, the driver blank change it. What can be the answer for this blank? When the tire is punctured. Tire onu puncture ஆகினா கட்டாயம் நாங்க என்ன சொல்லணும் செய்யணும் டயரை மாத்தியே ஆகணும். அப்போ so if the tire is got punctured, we must change the tire, no? Otherwise we can't travel. So the answer is when a tire is punctured, the driver is singular, so we have to select the singular verb, has to change it. Right? Look at the third question. I blank wash all my clothes myself. We can take it as a duty. Okay, so the answer is I have to wash all my clothes myself. அப்படின்னா மீனிங் வந்து என்னோட clothes நானே கழுவி கொள்ளணும். So it is my duty. அது என்னோட ஒரு கடமை. நானே என்னோட வேலையை செஞ்சு கொள்ளணும். So here we use have to for this blank. And fourth one, if you are a prefect, it means நீங்க உங்களோட ஸ்கூல்ல ஒரு மாணவ தலைவியாக இருந்தால் you blank be responsible for many things. Responsible ன்னு சொன்னா எப்படி இருக்கிறது? ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள் என்று சொன்னா பொறுப்பா இருக்கிறது. நீங்க ஒரு ஸ்கூல்ல ஒரு ப்ரிஃபெக்டா இருந்தா நீங்க கட்டாயம் என்ன செய்யணும்? பல விடயங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருப்பீங்க? பொறுப்பாக இருக்கணும். If you are a prefect, right? You must be responsible for many things because you are a prefect. நீங்க ஒரு prefect இருந்தா it's your duty. You must be responsible for many things. prefect இருந்தா அது ஒரு கடமை. நிறைய விஷயங்களுக்கு நீங்க பொறுப்பெடுக்கணும், பொறுப்பா இருக்கணும். Okay, so the answer is must. Fifth one, the principal said you blank be punctual. Principal said, principal யாரோ ஒரு ஆளை பார்த்து சொல்றாரு you should be punctual. punctual என்று சொன்னப்பலே நேரம் தவறாம இருக்கிறது. right? அப்ப இது it is an advice. This is an advice given by the principal. So the answer is should. You should be punctual. Now look at the sixth one. Pedestrians blank use the zebra crossing. When we cross the road, we must use the zebra crossing. It is a rule. Okay, so we can't neglect it, we can't avoid it. So the answer is must. Pedestrians must use the zebra crossing. It is a duty, it is a law, it is a rule. Okay, now last question. Whenever the dog wants to go out, whenever the dog wants to go to out means dogs வெளிய போகணும்னு அது நினைக்கிற டைம் எல்லாம் என்ன செய்யணும் நாங்க? I blank open the door and let it out, Roy said. Roy saying, Roy said, அவரோட டாக் வெளியே போகணுன்னு தேவைப்படுற டைம் எல்லாம் அவர் என்ன செய்ய வேண்டியிருக்குமாம்? அந்த டோரை ஓப்பன் பண்ண வேண்டியிருக்கும். இட்ஸ் ஹிஸ் டியூட்டி. ஸோ whenever the dog wants to go out, I have to open the door and let it out. Why we have used have to here? We are using have to here. It is a duty of Roy. Whenever the dog wants to go out, he has to open the door. It is his duty. Okay, so here they have the subject is I, so we use have to. Now you can see the above sentences with answers. Now you can see the answers for the questions on page 21. It means for activity 2.6. Look at the first question. A. Ruvini is not well. B. She should leave early. So the answer is should because it is an advice. Second one. When a tire is punctured, the driver has to change it. The answer is has to because if the tire got punctured, we must change it. Okay, so it is the duty of the driver, so the answer is the driver has to change it. Now look at the third one. I have to wash all my clothes myself because it's my duty, so the answer is have to. Fourth one. If you are a prefect, you must be responsible for many things. If you are a prefect of your school, you must be responsible. நீங்க கட்டாயம் பொறுப்பாயிருக்கணும். It's your duty. So the answer is must. Fifth one. The principal said you should be punctual. It is an advice from a principal. So the answer is should. Pedestrians must use the zebra crossing. It is a rule. It is a duty of the pedestrians. So the answer is must. Whenever the dog wants to go out, and I have to open the door and let it out, Roy said. It's Roy's duty. Whenever his dogs wants to go out, he has to open the door. So the answer is have to because here they have given the subject I. So the answer is have to. It is a duty of Roy. Okay, let's move to the next question. Next activity. Activity 2.4. Write 3 sentences each using must, have or has to or should with the negative form. Okay, here they are asking you to write the sentences using the word must, have or has or have or has to or should or the sentences with their negative forms. Okay, negative form means must not, do not have, does not have to, do not have to, does not have to or should not. Okay, now let's see how to write the sentences. First one, here look at this first sentence. I have used have to. When we make negative form of have to, it should be don't have to. If the subject is singular, it should be doesn't have to. Okay, here look at this sentence. We don't have to go to school on Sundays. சண்டேஸில் நாங்கள் ஸ்கூலுக்கு போக வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை, ரைட். அது எங்களுக்கு போக வேண்டிய கடமை இல்லை, டியூட்டி இல்லை, ரைட். இப்போ இதில் நாங்கள் சப்ஜெக்ட் ப்ளூரலாக இருக்கிறதால டோன்ட் ஹாவ் டுன்னு யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். இப்படியே இதில் சப்ஜெக்ட் சிங்குலராக இருந்தால் டஸ் நாட் ஹாவ் டுன்னு யூஸ் பண்ணிடுவோம், இல்லாட்டி டசன்ட் ஹாவ் டுன்னு யூஸ் பண்ணியிருப்போம். எப்போவுமே ஹாவ் டுவோட யூஸ் பண்ணுற வேர்ப் வந்து பேஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் த வேர்பாக தான் இருக்கும். Always we use the infinitive. It means base form of the verb with must, have or has to or should. The same rule is applied for the negative too. Here look at the second sentence. We must not shout in the library. We must not shout in the library means it is a rule of the library. We must not shout in the library. நாங்கள் என்ன செய்யலாது, லைப்ரரியில் போயிட்டு சத்தம் போட இல்லாது. we must be silent. So it is a rule of the library. So I have written this negative sentence. We must not shout in the library. Now look at the third one. You should not waste water. You should not waste water means it is an advice. We can advise someone you should not waste water. தண்ணியை வீணாக்காதீங்கன்னு சொல்றேன். So it can be an advice. So I have written it as an advice. You should not waste water. Okay, I hope you all have completed your work and corrected your answers. If your answer is wrong, please write the correct one in your exercise book. Okay, that's all for today. Jazakumullah khair, and thank you very much for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video lesson.